Write about problem formulation, statement of research process, research design, decision theory, decision tree. Here an overview of the topics you mentioned. Problem formulation. Problem formulation is the process of defining, clarifying a research problem or question. It involves identifying the key issues, variables, and objectives of the study. Statement of research. A statement of research is a concise summary of the research problem, objectives, and scope. It provides a clear direction for the research and guides the entire research process. Research process. The research process is a systematic approach to answering a research question of solving a problem. It involves problem formulation, literature review, research design, data collection, data analysis, interpretation, and reporting. Research design. Research design is a framework that outlines the methods and the procedures of collecting and analyzing data. It includes experimental design, quasi experimental design, survey design, case study design, qualitative design. Decision theory. Decision theory is a branch of mathematics that deals with the decision making under uncertainty. It provides a framework for making optimal decisions based on the profitability, utility, and risk. Decision tree. A decision tree is a graphical representation of decision and their possible consequences, including chance, event outcomes, resources, cost, and utility. It is used to identify the optimal decision path. Here are a brief overview how these topics relate to each other. Problem formulation leads to a statement of research. The research process follows, which includes research design. Research design informs the data collection and analysis methods. Decision theory and the decision trees can be used in the research design to optimize the decision making processes. The research finding can inform decision making in various fields such as business, healthcare, or social, etc. Thank you so much.